Hi, I'm Dr. Cosentino. I'm the president and founder of Empire Medical Training, and I'm here with Dr. Alan Bauman. Dr. Alan Bauman is a very renowned hair transplant surgeon in Boca Raton, Florida. So welcome, Dr. Bauman, and thanks for joining us.
Thanks so much for having me, Steve, again this year.
Absolutely, absolutely. We're very excited to have you. You've been named again. This is very exciting. Congratulations. You've been you're the #1 hair transplant surgeon, and this is your second year in a row. How are you able to do that? And I noticed that year after year, you're continually in the top 10 top hair transplant surgeons. There's so many great surgeons. How are you able to do this?
Yeah, we're really proud of this award. There's so many surgeons, as you say, around the country and around the world, but I really think it comes down to putting the patient first. You know, that's the main thing that we do at Bauman Medical. For 20 years, we've been a patient-centric practice. So whether it's the comfort of the procedures, the professionalism of the staff, the warm and friendliness when you arrive, the kinds of responses you would get from a call, click, or visit, and then of course the end results of the process. You know, the quality makes all the difference. So we've been featured in the top 10 for about 6 or 8 years now, but been blessed with the #1 spot back-to-back years.
Yes.
So we're super excited about that.
Excellent. Yes, congratulations. And talking about your office, of course I visited your office, and it's like a state-of-the-art facility. There's equipment in there that it looks like a NASA type of center. Everything is white, everything is sterile. It's really quite an experience. Tell me a little bit about your office, how you're able to have such a nice office.
Yeah, so I'm really, really proud of the Bauman Medical Group headquarters that we have. It's been a lifelong dream to really develop a standalone, comprehensive clinic just for men and women who are struggling with hair loss. So we don't do anything else, but we can treat any patient, anytime, with any kind of hair thinning, scalp problem, hair loss condition, you name it. We have a solution. We have a pathway to improve their life.
Yes. And for myself, just thinking, if I needed to go to a surgeon, a hair transplant surgeon, I know there's so many doctors coming up on the internet that are just offering so many different procedures, aesthetic procedures, different cosmetic procedures. Why is it important, for one, to find somebody like yourself who really is a true specialist in hair transplant medicine?
Well, the industry has changed a lot over the 20 years that I've been involved, and you're absolutely right. We're seeing physicians who have purchased devices and started to do treatments in their offices who are non-specialists. And so what they've forgotten, or what they don't really know, is how to do a diagnosis, how to monitor and measure hair loss, how to develop an accurate treatment plan. And so prescribing the right treatment regimen, whether it be something non-invasive or something more invasive, you need to have all of that information before you even get started. And so you don't want to go to someone who's doing a procedure once a month or once a week. You need to go to someone who's doing it twice a day, every single day or more. And that's what I've been doing. I've done over 8,000 surgeries. We've treated over 20,000 patients. So this is my entire life's work. And so it's a very, very different experience when you come to a super specialist like myself, board certified, credentialed, and so forth, than picking someone, off a website that has a menu item list of different things that they offer from, head to toe, so to speak.
Absolutely. I mean, the fact that this is all you do is pretty impressive. So, talking about my hair, okay, most people think that my hair is completely natural, and we want to kind of keep that a little bit of a secret, that last year I had a full hair transplant myself with you, and thank you very much. In fact, you did a hair transplant, and initially, if you recall, you didn't even recommend a hair transplant. You recommended that I do PRP. And I did get PRP, and I got amazing results, and I got so excited with the results, I just wanted to continue to do it. And then you did hair transplant, and the results came out incredible. In fact, it still seems like more hairs, as I look in the mirror, more hairs are coming out. So
it's
that's
going to keep growing and growing and growing. So even up to a year after the procedure, you can still get more and more growth. So thank you so much for sharing that with
definitely,
with the public.
yeah.
I really appreciate that.
For me, I'm exposed to lots of physicians. I could pretty much go to anybody. Our whole staff and everybody. I mean, everybody around me is in the field of aesthetics and hair transplant. So I was very comfortable with your background, and your office and your staff is very impressive. They took very good care of me. So thank you very much for that.
Well, we feel blessed to have treated you at Bauman Medical.
Oh, I appreciate that.
Steve, yeah.
And Dr. Bauman, thank you very much for being here today. The panel discussion we had today was great. I'm very happy because for all our viewers, they're going to learn a lot of great information in aesthetics and hair transplant, and it's so much. So we really covered a lot of great ground today, and thank you very much.
My pleasure for being here.